Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my next upgrade on my super cool Benelli M4, and this time I'm going to upgrade the handguard. So what I have in front of me is B&T handguard. And this handguard is made in Switzerland, and as you guys know, Switzerland is famous of their chocolate, and I guess they're really good at making guns as well. So let's take a look at it, what we have here. So we have a wrench here, Allen wrench. Gonna put that on the side. We're gonna need that, I assume. And we have the manual. It's pretty straightforward, guys, so I'm going to show you on how to install it. So we're going to put these two things aside. All right, so let's take a look at the handguard. I can tell you that this handguard is really well made. I really like how they soften the edges of the Picatinny rail. Some Picatinny rail, they're really sharp. The edges, like it's almost like you can feel it's cutting in your hand when you grab them. But this one is really well made, and it's very good. It's a very good quality. All right, so we're going to install this bad boy on this gun, and let's get started. So I assume we're going to need this wrench. That's why they come with it, right? So, all right. So I think we need the bigger one. Let's take a look here. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna put this on the side first. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're going to remove the handguard and remove the barrel from the gun, okay? So, if you look at my previous video, you can see how I removed the barrel and the handguard, but not to worry, we're gonna go through it again this time. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna unscrew the cap here. Just twist it, simply twist it, put it on the side, and then next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pull the barrel forward. There you go. And the handguard automatically come off. Okay, so we're gonna put the two handguard on the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the barrel completely off the gun. All right, so once you have completely off like this, the next thing what you're gonna do is you're going to unscrew one of the a small pieces here. I'm just trying to show you on the camera right here. Hope I can focus on the camera. Come on. Come on. Right here. All right, so there is this little piece here that need to come off. Then there is a screw right on top here. So you're going to use the wrench. You're gonna remove it, okay? So you're gonna do it down here. Okay, so once you remove the screw, the little piece that I showed you earlier, they come off, okay? So this goes like that, okay? So once this little piece off the rail, so what you're gonna do, you're going to slide the handguard from the back. Okay, so you're gonna, so the number here, number 18. So number 1, it's close to the what do you call this? This the bolt carrier group. So number 17 will be closer toward the front of the gun, the barrel, the front of the gun. All right, so just gonna slide that in, and I'm trying to do this as slow as possible because I don't want to accidentally just scratch the barrel. So there you go. All right, and the bottom here, as you can see, it's set nicely. And the next thing what you're gonna do, you're going to slide the barrel with the handguard back. Okay, so you're gonna slide it like that. And again, like I'm trying to do this as careful as possible. All right. And then what you're gonna do is just gonna continue pushing back. There you go. So as you can see, it flush nice and tight front here, front and the back. The next thing what you're gonna do, you're going to put the screw cap, put the cap back on. Okay, so that way the barrel won't slide forward, back and forth when you secure the handguard. All right, there you go. So next, you're going to grab that little piece that you took off earlier. You're just gonna slide it right here. So basically, this little piece, try to show you in the camera here. So the little piece is actually eliminate the space between the handguard and, sorry, I was out of focus there. So basically, that little piece there, sorry guys, I'm trying to show it to you, but it's basically, it eliminates the gap between the barrel and the handguard. So once you slide it back on, what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab that little screw, okay, and you're just gonna screw it back on. Right, just give a little tuck here so they're nice and tight. There you go. And that's it. What do you guys think? Which one do you like better? The original handguard or B&T handguard? I think this one looks sick. It looks really nice, guys. It looks really nice. Sorry about the noise. The handguard kept rocking back and forth here. So just gonna put it on the side there. But yeah, again, like I really like the edges. There's not a lot of sharp edges here, so when you hold it, you know, I don't feel like it's cutting my finger, you know. But wow, what a difference. Anyway, so let me know what do you think, guys, in the comment section below. Do you like the look now? Do you like it better with the original one? Or if you have any other suggestion, different handguard that you guys have, that you guys running with, let me know in the comment section below. I will sure reply to your comment and read your comments. And please be nice, guys. And yeah, and that's it for now, guys. So please, if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. It's really helping me, guys. As you know that this is a new channel, so I really need as many like and subscribe as possible. So that way I can make more videos, and I can promise you, I have the next upgrade. They came yesterday. My next upgrade, and I will be installing my next upgrade on my next video. So yeah, so please like and subscribe, and so you don't miss my next video. All right guys, take care now. Bye.